Yeah, I'm miserable. Allah, go jumping in the building. Allah, go jumping. Naomi in the building. Allah, go jumping. 3 years friendship and we are still counting. 3 years friendship. Oh Jesus. Hey, what's the school girl? What's the school girl? What is happening with VSS? What is happening with VSS? Allah, go jump in the building. What you have to move? Oh, Charlie. Just say what you have to move. Just say what you have to. We go home with chill and pop, as always, you know. With a chill and pop. This life is too short, so you have to have fun and chill and pop. And twerk. And twerk. Come and twerk.
Hey!
Come and twerk for my fans.
My buttocks is...
Always when I call you to twerk, you don't twerk.
My buttocks is unshakable.
Naomi, people want to see you twerk. Come and twerk. Hey, Sissy.
1,000 baby.
Hey. Come and twerk.
Movie say over the camp.
He didn't pay you. Bitches. He didn't pay you. Oh my God. Hi, what's up, niggas? What's up? I'm looking for someone to dash this to.
Oh, I'm here.
Please, Naomi, go jumping. This thing, your eyes there top. I don't know what. This is for a fun.
I'll carry it.
I love my fans. Oh, I'm choosing to dash this hamper. I'll call you tomorrow and give it to you. So please, I'm choosing. This hamper is going for a fun here because they have been faithful to me and I love them like Saskatchewans. Hey, what's up? What's up, people? It's your girl, Sexy Polo. What's up, people? It's your babe, Sexy Polo. The anointed one. The spiritual, source magotic lady. The untouchable, those called celebrity foundation build. The systematic, authentic, humatratic syndrome. The wagon mama, the interpretatious, fastidious, so-called them, surface woman. The antibiotic, hygienic, hepatitic, heart attack, pit syndrome. The only lady who can let people go mad and talk what they are not supposed to talk. The only those called celebrity daughter who can capsize and stand strong and firm like energetic, high-tech helicopter hijacked in the rims of the hell. And the battery of the engine of the helicopter has somersaults, hijacked like syndrome, dramatic, fibrotic system. That is me. The Obudown team Obubuko Sia girl. The untouchable, systematic girl. Naomi, come and stand.
Yes, madam.
Naomi is my bestie for 3 years now. She started coming to my house. This is my new place. I got here just 7 months now. And Naomi came to my new place. Oh, the authentic 3 years fibroids syndrome. She has been supportive. Guys, please help me play her shoulder. Please help me play her shoulder. Please help me born Abaso. I want to born Abaso. Help me play Naomi, Miss Wife, alongside Gonjo P. I want to play her shoulder for standing for me, for consoling my heart touchable beats. I want you, please, all of you, help me play her shoulder. Please, I beg you, in the name of enthusiastic cucumber, please help me play her shoulder. She has been there for me, I swear. This girl has been everything. She is part of my strongness. Naomi, this lady, she can't dance in pop. I always pause it. But if you go anymore, say. Please. Naomi, please, you people should help me play her shoulder, okay? I want to play her shoulder. Let me go and charge my phone. Power bank, when you mommy for charge your phone in a me life. I need to talk. I need to talk. My phone is getting low. The reason why I came here, if I don't charge my phone, I won't be able to talk. I won't be able to talk. Naomi! Vamout. Viens à vous. Vous savez.
Oui, les souhaits.
Viens.
Ça va?
Très bien, merci. Asseyez-vous.
Oui.
Oui, contaminated. Zawel. So, this is my lovely home now. This is my new 2-bedroom self-apartment now. At first, I was in hall and chamber apartments. But now, I'm comfortable with systematic syndrome. With Naomi in the concrete. So this is fabulous situation right now. And the English is going to come as dramatic, hijacked helicopter in the rims. I love you guys. I love you guys. For being there for me. For supporting me. For all your anticipating, participating, supporting me. Celebrity, my founder, she has been so good to me. Second, to all my faithful bloggers, so those called celebrity is not part. Those called is my founder. She is my everything. To my faithful bloggers, being behind me, whether raining or shining, they are always there. They never misunderstand me. Naomi, they said twerk.
Hey.
Naomi, Ankara, they said twerk.
They want that chop hot.
Naomi, they say you should twerk. Today, they want to disgrace you. Because they know so well that you can't. Everyone knows that, Naomi, you sitting, you can't twerk.
I will surprise them one day.
So, guys, I'm here to say a big sorry to you for going off. I know you people have been expecting live videos so long. And hey, Naomi, is that about us? Hey, alate. Guys, I love you. I have nothing to say. I just came here for you people to know that I'm fine. Everything is fine with me. As you can see my hairstyle. That's the post I've been posting. And your girl is looking good. Keep on supporting me. Keep on being there for me. I love you like something else. Something else. Baddest. Keep on supporting me, guys. Remember me in prayers. And stay tuned for another live video. Because maybe that live video is going to be hate. It's going to be lockdown. It's going to be brutal. Kiss. You will meet me very soon, okay? You'll meet me very soon. God is in control. I love you guys. Your girl is so cool. She's so cool. She's so cool, okay? I love you. 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 I should clean my camera, eh? I will. I will. I love you guys. Kiss, kiss.
Okay.
Oh, GH hyper. GH hyper. Bro. Don't give me pressure. Don't give me pressure, bro. You know your sister is hijacked in the realm of helicopter in the air. She can't talk. Please. Your sister is immelocious. You, GH Kweku, you told me. I love you, Sister Debbie TV. I love you, all my fans. I love you, all my sisters who have spoken to me. Both Nigerian celebrities and Ghana celebrities. Thank you for your efforts, your prayers, your support. Thank you for being there for me. You know I'm your child. And I listen. Thank you. Thank you, those celebrity. Pa. Those guy is everything. Those guy is fire. She is a fire creature in the creature of antibiotic. The creature. You can't mess around that page. Thank you, my founder. Those guys celebrity. I love you, Mercy K. I love everyone. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten child, Akuapem Poloo. And you know, God's children, they go through hell. So please, forgive and forget. Hey, Naomi Ankara. Please, my fans are looking for you. They say appear. Naomi Ankara.
Appear and disappear.
Appear, my fans want to see you. The only chick who cannot work.
Oh, yeah.
The only chick. I've known her for 3 years now. She has never danced for me to see before. I don't know if Naomi can dance. The only dance Naomi can do is dancing. That is the only dance Naomi can do, oh boss. That's me, Naomi can't dance.
Oh, I can dance.
Oh. Sis, I love you guys. I love you. I just came here to say hi to you people. Cancancious. Yes, Cancancious. Bye. See you. I love you guys. I love you like twin. Kiss. Mwah. Oh, busy hair, where do you get all your ways?